Welcome to English Learning Channel. Hello everyone, today we are going to do English speaking practice through 40+ daily routines vocabulary. Let's start. Just follow this video so you will improve your English with Guru. Wake up. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Turn off the alarm. John, wake up and turn off the alarm. Get up. It's time to get up. Make the bed. I make the bed in my bedroom every day. Wash your face. I wash my face every day. Brush your teeth. Don't forget to brush your teeth. Brush your hair. My hair is messy, I need to brush it. Clip nails. I clipped my brother's nails. Put on makeup. You don't have time to put on makeup. Get dressed. I usually get dressed before I have breakfast. Have breakfast. I usually have breakfast at about 7 o'clock. Go to school. The boys go to school in groups. Go to work. He go to work every day. Exercise. Diet and exercise are equally important. Do household chores. Spend the day the way normal household chores. Drive to work. Sometimes I drive to work and sometimes I walk. Wait for the bus. I'm waiting for the bus to go home. Take a taxi. I would rather take a taxi than walk. Work. He's been working hard all day. Take a break. I think this is a good time to take a break. Get home. Once I get home, that's for my family. Leave school. We leave school at 5 p.m. every day. Have lunch. We usually have lunch together. Take a nap. I usually take a nap after lunch. Have a snack. Her mother said Mary could only have a snack of fruit. Do homework. Your child always waits until the last minute to do homework. Take out the garbage. Don't forget to take out the garbage. Water the plants. You only need to water the plants every other day. Feed the dog. I feed our dog 3 times a day. Play with friends. Today I played with my friends. Walk the dog. Mary always walks the dog before she goes to bed. Go for a walk. Let's go for a walk in the park. Hang out with friends. I love hanging out with friends. Read the newspaper. I reads the newspaper every day. Surf the net. He gonna eat fast food and surf the net. Cook dinner. My mother is cooking dinner. Have dinner. We usually have dinner at 7 p.m. Take a shower. I usually take a shower before going to bed. Thanks for watching.